Who's this cute little girl here?
Hey, Mom.
Cheese.
Open.
Open.
They're already open.
I think they're already gone.
Got your cute little gloves.
These are your gloves that were in here.
Oh, wow.
Look up at Mom. Wave, say hi to Mom. Look, she's over there.
Hi.
Hey, Mom.
Cheese.
Is that your hat? Is that your Easter hat? Uh-oh.
We gotta get our Easter shoes
Here, wait a
on.
minute.
Socks and shoes.
There we go. Is it snowing outside?
You can tell through the blinds here. That's actually snow on the ground. On Easter Sunday, let's hope it melts fast.
5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Is that how high we go? 15? What about 16? 17? 18? 19? 20? Mimi.
I tie.